Everyone thought this car was finished. At first glance, nothing stood out. The proportions felt off. The details were messy. This was the point where most people would stop. Most transformations don't fail because of skill. They fail because people quit too early. The goal wasn't perfection. It was clarity, understanding the shape, giving the car direction. Even then, something felt off. The balance was close, but not convincing. This is where frustration begins. I slowed down, made small adjustments, and suddenly, the car started to make sense. This stage is dangerous. Confidence can make you careless. One wrong move can undo everything. Every line needed purpose. Every detail had to earn its place. This wasn't about adding more. It was about choosing better. This next part changed everything. This was the hardest decision. If it failed, the whole transformation failed. Sometimes trusting the process is enough. One adjustment brought everything together. From here, it was refinement. Letting the design breathe. Giving the car the presence it deserved. This is the moment you wait for. When chaos turns into clarity. When effort finally shows. Every car has potential. Because someone is willing to finish the journey. If you enjoy transformations like this, you'll enjoy what's next.